Take, checkmate. That's the moment we all want to hear, where everything comes together and the winning idea appears on the chessboard. But most like that doesn't happen by accident. They happen because how we think and approach the game, and that's why you're here. Welcome to Take, Checkmate, a summer chess camp by the Longwood TAG Program. This camp is designed for anyone who wants to discover what real chess is about. Together, we'll explore smart opening strategies, creative middle game ideas, and powerful tactical patterns that can change the game in just a few moves. Using the chess steps method, everything is taught in a clear step-by-step method that builds both confidence and skill. Through puzzles, lessons, and real games, you'll learn how strong players think. You'll start spotting combinations, playing ahead, and seeing opportunities your opponent didn't realize were even there. By the end of the camp, you won't just be playing chess, you'll approach the game like a real champion. At the end of the camp, we'll put those skills you learned to the test in a tournament-style event with your family, friends, and your new chess rivals. Before we get there though, listen up. Here's your challenge. The position on the board follows the theme of the camp. Take, checkmate. Can you find a winning combination for white? When you find a solution, send your full answer to the email address to my right. I can't wait to see you guys' answers, and I'll see you at this chessboard this summer.